stop yourself. Come on and reach out.
Boom, boom, up, shoo up, do up, ram lama, doo doo up, shimmy and
मेरा फ्यूचर कुछ दिख रहा है? अरे यार तुम लोग के पेरेंट्स ये लोग प्रेशराइज नहीं करते, मेरे को हर रोज फोर्स करके बोलते हैं बेटा क्या करना है, क्या बनना है लाइफ में, सोचा है कुछ? मैं कैसे बोलूं उनको मेरे को एक्टर बनना है? एक्टर बोलूंगा तो बोलेंगे बेटा ये इंडस्ट्री देखिए, कहाँ जाओगे, धक्का खाओगे, इतने 5,000 लोग आते हैं रोज बनने एक्टर, सक्सेस रेट 0, क्या करूंगा? At least you have a fixed aim, you know, unlike me. I mean, I'm so damn confused, yeah. I mean, earlier I wanted to do 10 different things, and now finally I want to do something like I want to write, yeah. But I'm still, you know, I'm not very sure if I want to do it because there's so many complications in life, and you know, I mean, I don't share things with my family and all, but you know, I mean.
But you got to follow your heart when it comes
And we all know express yourself is by writing, so I think you should go for it.
और राइटर का भी यही बोलते हैं, unpredictable ये.
But yeah, this is the main thing now. Both these fields are creative fields. So if you feel that at least you should give your, at least ask your parents for some time. Ki let us struggle for 2-3 years or whatever. And if we don't make it in that time, then probably we'll branch into something else. Look, any job that you're good at, money will follow.
Yeah, that's right.
It is not कि इस फील्ड में पैसा और इस फील्ड में पैसा नहीं है. You have to be good at what you do.
अब भाई एस्पिरेशंस की जहाँ तक बात है, मम्मी कहती है शादी कर ले बिकॉज वो कहती है मैं काम कर करके थक गई हूँ, 25 साल से तुझे खिला रही हूँ. और मेरे पिताजी कहते हैं कि भाई काम करो, नौकरी करो, पैसे लाओ, पर पास तो मैं होता नहीं हूँ तो
और लड़कियों का पीछा छोड़ दे और पास हो जा वन से.
मैं बोलूं बेस्ट परी मिस इंडिया का जज बन जा.
और वो काम मैं मस्त कर सकता हूँ.
बट वो होने के लिए सक्सेसफुल होना चाहिए जो कि ये नहीं है.
कास्टिंग एजेंसी खोल ली.
यार फिर मेरी शादी कैसे होगी?
कास्टिंग काउच के साथ. I would want to say something about my dad. He wants me to open a jewelry store, which I think I can manage very well because I love diamonds, as you all know.
मेरा तो मम्मी कहती है पैदा होते ही पापा ने बोल दिया था इसको बना देंगे कुछ इंजीनियर, डॉक्टर या साइंटिस्ट में से 3. उसके बाद
कॉमर्स में क्या कर रहा है?
पैदा होते ही बोला.
मम्मी ने बोला ठीक है तुझे क्या चाहिए?
वो कर जो तुम्हें ठीक लगे ना. Worry about your mummy.
I want to become an actor, and I'm very happy that my parents are very supportive about it. Wow. But the only thing is, even though they are supportive, but people around are like, "अरे लड़की है, acting में जाएगी, ये है, वो है." I mean, there are 100 questions that come up, and if obviously if I'm successful, they'll be like, "हाँ, अच्छा, हम तो इसको जानते हैं ये," and अगर if I'm not, and then again the fingers are pointed at her.
But at least you're lucky your parents are supporting you.
Yeah, exactly. That's what. If they are supportive, I don't care about whoever says whatever. So.
Who's next?
I really like photography. Like it's very Well, on the other hand, the DS is so close. I am the treasurer of the DS, handling all the accounts. That also I love doing. That's making that important decision, and it's very tough. But the best part is that my parents do allow me. Like they say that okay, fine, you want to do accounting, go ahead. And even if I become a CA, a chartered accountant, full-fledged, I'll still carry my camera.
And I keep clicking well.
I'm also pretty confused, यार. मुझे पता नहीं what to do. I know that I love theatre, creative things, art, but I don't know exactly क्या करना है इस field में. I know इसी field में काम करना है, but I don't know what to do exactly. And you guys know my dad. He wants me to do CA, CFA और ये सब चीज़ों में मुझे बिल्कुल interest नहीं है.
Go course with FTI or any institute.
Go to New York, learn stuff. That's the problem. Dad को कैसे convince करूँ? He'll never buy it.
We all should talk to his dad, yeah.
Yeah, please.
हमारे यहाँ पे लड़कियों को ज़्यादा पढ़ाते नहीं हैं तो so I can't really even think of probably.
क्यों? What happens?
What do you want to do?
I want to study further, but
She
RJ,
adjusts
you
to
have
everything.
to put your foot down and you have to tell them what. It's my life and I want this. No, it's okay. I mean, it's all right.
Today the choices are so many that you can aspire to do anything that you want in life. So I think what is most important is that you must aspire, you must think big, you must dream big. That's why I've made this movie, Isi Life Mein. which is to do with aspire, dream big. There's no tax on that. Let the fear not hold you back that you will fail. In fact, when you fail, it's even better because you have a better thing happening. You'll learn from that. You'll not make that mistake again. You'll succeed in something else. But there's so much learning in that process.